Hello everyone, this is part 21 of complete Hindi language series from basic to advanced, and today's topic is word formation with Matra of Chandrabindu. So let us proceed. We have already covered all these Matraएं, but our today's topic is different from these Matraएं, which is Matra of Chandrabindu. This letter creates this symbol, and this symbol is known as Matra of Chandrabindu. Okay, and why the name of this matra is Chandrabindu? So the name of this matra is Chandrabindu because it is looks like a crescent or half moon. Okay, or crescent. And Chandra means moon in Hindi language. Chandra means moon in Hindi language. And we apply or put this dot into this crescent or half moon. So it became Chandrabindu because in Hindi language we called dot as Bindu or Bindi. So the name of this matra is Chandrabindu. I hope you have understood this concept. So this is our today's topic. Let's see this one. And this class is very important, as I have told you that the previous video is not as much important. In the last video we just saw matra of aha, like this one. So it was not important because the matra of aha is usually used in Sanskrit words. But today's topic is very important. Okay. So please pay a very close attention to this topic. Okay. This is letter Se and this is matra of A, and just apply this matra of Chandrabindu on the letter Sa. Now it becomes Sa. Sound of Chandrabindu is produced with the help of nose and mouth. Okay, keep this point in your mind. So the pronunciation of this word would be Sa. Okay, Sa. This is simply Sa, and this mother A, it became Sa. The pronunciation of this word would be Sa, but when we apply this mother of Chandrabindu over this letter, it became Sa. Okay, Sa. Let's see this one. This is letter U, I mean Bada U, and this is mother of Chandrabindu. So the pronunciation of this letter would be Okay, This is simply but when we apply this mother of Chandrabindu, it became Okay. This is letter Ba, and this is mother of A. It became Ba, and just apply this mother of Chandrabindu. Now it became Ba. Okay, Ba. Similarly, this one. This is letter Dha. This is mother of Chota U, and this is mother of Chandrabindu. Now it became Dhoom. This is simply dhu. But due to this matra of Chandrabindu, it will be pronounced like dhoom. I hope you are able to observe the difference between these two letters. This is dhu and this is dhoom because of this matra of Chandrabindu. This is again bada oo and this is matra of Chandrabindu. Now it became oo and just add this letter ta to this one. It became oot. Okay, oot, which means camel. This is again bada oo and this is again matra of Chandrabindu. This is chair. This is matra of ah. Now it became uncha. Uncha. If it were like this one, so the pronunciation of this would be ucha. But due to this matra of Chandrabindu, it became uncha. Uncha. Okay. This is letter A. This is matra of A, and this is again matra of Chandrabindu, and this is letter K. Now it became ark. Okay, ark. If it were this one, then the pronunciation of this would be ark, ark, ark. But due to this matra of Chandrabindu, it became ark, ark, which means eye. This is again ba. This is matra of a. It became ba. Just add this matra of Chandrabindu over this letter. It became ba. And just add this letter sa to this one. It became bas. Okay, bas, which means bamboo. This is letter sa. This is mother of a. This is again Chandrabindu and this is pa. Now it became sab. Sab. If it were simply this one, the pronunciation of this one would be sab, sab, sab. But due to this matra of Chandrabindu, it became sab, which means snake. This is ka. This mother of ah, it became ga. Just apply this mother of Chandrabindu, it became ga. And this is va. Now it became gav. Okay, gav, which means village. Gav. This is letter pa. This is mother of ah. It became pa. Now it became pa. And this is va. Now it became pav. Okay, pav. It means foot. Okay, foot. Pav. This is fa. This is mother of ah. This is sa. Again mother of badi e. Now it became fa si. Fa si. But due to this mother of Chandrabindu, it became fa si. Fa si. Okay. Fa si. It means sentenced to death. Okay. This is Farsi. This is Jha. This is mother of A and this is Sa. This is mother of Badi E. Now it became Jhansi, Jhansi. But due to this mother of Chandrabindu, it became Jhansi, Jhansi. It is a city in UP, state of India. Jhansi. This is ma, this is mother of a, and this is ja, this is mother of badi e. It became ma, ji, but due to this mother of Chandrabindu, it became manji. It means botman, one who rose, bought, okay, manji. And this is letter the. This is mother of a, and this is again Chandrabindu. It became da, and this is the. Now it became dant, which means teeth. This is letter ga, this is a, mother of a, and this is ta, this is mother of e. This is letter ta, this is mother of badi e. Now it became gati, and just add this mother of Chandrabindu, it became gati. Okay, gati. And this one, hai, mother of Chandrabindu, hum, and this is sa, this is mother of a, this is na, this is mother of a. Now it became hasana. Okay, hasana, to make somebody laugh. This is letter dha. This is mother of Chandrabindu. This is sa. This is ta or dhasta. Okay. If this word would be like this one, dha, sa, ta, then the pronunciation of this word would be dhasta, simply dhasta. But due to this mother of Chandrabindu, it became dhasta. Okay. This is letter fa. This is sa. This is na. This is mother of a. Now it became Fasana, Fasna, but due to this mother of Chandrabindu, it became Fasna, which means stuck somewhere. This is letter Me, this is mother of A, and this is letter Ga, this is Na, this mother of A, it became Magna, but due to this mother of Chandrabindu, it became Mangna, okay. This is letter Che, this is mother of A, and this is Da, this is Na, this is mother of Badi E. It became Chandni. It became Chandni. It means moonlight. Chandni. I think it is very clear to you now. This is Bear. This is mother of A, and this is Sa, this is mother of Chota O, this is Ra, this is mother of Badi E. Now it became Basuri. But due to this mother of Chandrabindu, it became Basuri. Okay, Basuri. It means flute. It is kind of musical instrument. Okay. Now we will read this complete paragraph. This is this is mother of Chandrabindu. It became and this is oot. It means camel. Per, it means on. Che, okay, chad. It means board. The, mother of all, the. Chandrabindu, dant. Okay, dant. Se, mother of all, fe, saf. Kere, ker. Be, mother of all, se, bas. Mother of Chandrabindu, bas. कै मतलब बड़ी ई, की, बै मतलब आ, सैग मतलब छोटा ऊ, रे मतलब बड़ी ई, and this is Chandrabindu. It became बांसुरी, बांसुरी, बे, जे मतलब आ, बजा, द मतलब छोटा ऊ, ने मतलब छोटी ई, ये मतलब आ, and Chandrabindu. It became दुनिया. It means world. दुनिया. And this is ka, this मतलब बड़ी ई, it became की. This is letter sa, this is mother of I, and this is ra, it became sad, sad, kar, kar, छोटा ऊ, ध mother of और उधार, मैं mother of आ, गे ने आ, and this is Chandrabindu, it became मांगना, बै mother of छोटा ऊ, रे mother of बड़ी ई, it became बुरी, बै mother of आ, then बात, है, this is है. And this is se, mother of a, be, Chandrabindu, it became samp. Se, mother of a, se. De, mother of chota u, re, dur. Re, mother, re, letter he, and mother of o. It became raho. Raho. A, mother of a, and Chandrabindu, ke, aankh. Me, mother of a, मैं mother of A, and this is ang की मात्रा, mother of ang, it became me, and this is sa, mother of chota u, re में surma, le, ge, mother of लगा, cha छोटा e, chi, and this is अड़ा, this mother of छोटी e, and this is ya, mother of a, and Chandrabindu, it became चिड़िया, चिड़िया. It means a sparrow. It is shown here in the picture. चे है, mother of a, चे है, चहा, चे चहा, re है, mother of बड़ी ई, रही, है, mother of आई, and mother of ang, it became है, and this is che, mother of a, then, and Chandrabindu, it became chand, it means moon. Ne, mother of छोटी ई, कल निकल, ए, mother of a, ये, mother of a, आया, गे, mother of आवे, and Chandrabindu, it became गाँव. Ka, mother of body E, it became key, and this is sa, and this is mother of I, and this is ra, sad, and this is kar, kar. Okay, let's read this complete paragraph in one go. ऊंट पर चढ़, दांत साफ कर, बांस की बांसुरी बजा, दुनिया की सैर कर, उधार मांगना बुरी बात है, सांप से दूर रहो, आंख में सुरमा लगा, चिड़िया चहचहा रही है, चांद निकल आया, गांव की सैर कर. Okay, and this is homework. Try to read it by yourself, and please read every word aloud so that it became very, very clear to you. Okay, and skip this letter, or let me clear this concept. This is simply ja. You know this letter very well. And after applying this dot below this letter, the pronunciation of this word would be changed into za. The pronunciation of this letter is simply ja, but due to this dot below this letter, it became za, za. Okay, za. And usually this concept is used in Urdu words. Okay, so it is not very, very important. Just remember this thing. The pronunciation of without dot is ja, but due to this dot below this letter, the pronunciation of this letter would be changed into za. Okay, za. That's it. So this is homework. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.